Let me show you how easy it is to create a bullet point list in Microsoft Word. First approach is to type your text first, like that. Then you can select your text and select a list from the top here. We can have a number list with the numbers in front in different styles, or with letters like A, B, C, or even with the Roman numbers. You can also simply add bullet points. There are several symbols to choose from, but we can also define a new bullet point ourselves if you want a different symbol to be in front. I will go with the default one, just little circle like that. And here it is. Very quickly, we turn this text into a bullet point list. What if you need a second level? Simply place your cursor in front and press Tab on your keyboard. And this way you can push some of this to be a second level bullet point list like that. We can also move it back with the backspace. We can make it even third level, so that's all up to you. Of course, if you want to add a new entry, simply place yourself at the end of the line, click Enter, and you can type a new entry in that level. If you want to get rid of the bullet point list, select your text and click the bullet point again here at the top, and we are back. I hope this short tutorial was helpful. See you in the next one.